Here's the second way to do number 23. We're going to have to FOIL all this out and FOIL all that out. So we get 16x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 49x squared plus 2x plus 1. I'm going to distribute the 16 into all these. So I get 16x squared minus 64x plus 64. I'll distribute this here, so I get negative 49x squared minus 98x minus 49. I have like terms here. I have like terms here. And I have like terms here. So let's combine them. 16x squared minus 49x squared is negative 33x squared. I'm just going to write all this in green. There's no significance to it. I just have the green pen. Minus 162x plus 15. I can GCF out a negative 3 here. I want to get rid of that negative, and I also have a GCF of a 3. I'm going to take that whole thing out to get 11x squared plus 54x minus 5. Again, we're switching the signs here. It's very easy to make a mistake there. I do it as well. Please don't do it on the test because you'll lose points that you probably don't deserve to lose. So keep an eye out for that. Let's take this 11 and this negative 5 and get negative 55. Find factors of negative 55 that add to positive 54. How about positive 55 and negative 1? So I'll rewrite this parentheses. I'll keep it in green just because. 11x squared plus 55x minus 1x minus 5. Close it off. This negative 3 is still there. He's not going to affect the problem until the very end. Let's group these and factor out an 11x. We get x plus 5. I'm going to factor out a negative 1, so I get x plus 5 here. So if I GCF out the x plus 5, I get x plus 5, 11x minus 1, and this negative 3 here. We're almost done, but it's the same deal as the other way we did it. We can distribute the negative from that negative 3 into here and make this 1 minus 11x. So our true final answer will be positive 3, quantity x plus 5, 1 minus 11x. That's the fewest negatives we can have. This would be our 100% correct final answer. Let's look at number 24. Switching to green now, I guess. This just looks like a lot of distributing and foiling. Let's FOIL this out. Let's make sure we don't make any mistakes. We got 36y squared minus 30y plus 30y minus 25. This looks like a difference of two perfect squares because these are going to cancel out. Equals 36y squared plus 27y minus 28y minus 21. So if I combine these terms here, I end up with 36y squared minus 25, and that equals 36y squared. I'm going to combine these to negative 1y minus 21. 36y squared on both sides, we can get rid of it. I'm going to add, let's see what I'll do. Since I want to get rid of this negative 1y, I'm going to add 1y. Add 1y here just to make it positive. So I have y minus 25 equals negative 21. I'm going to add 25 on both. I get y equals 4. So let's plug in 4 and see if it works. So I got 6. So let's say 4 is our answer now. In blue, I'm going to just plug it in. So 6 times 4 minus 5, 6 times 4 plus 5 equals 4 times 4 plus 3. I'm going to close that, and then we're going to have 9 times 4 minus 7. If this works, then we know we're good. 6 times 4 is 24, minus 5 is 19. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5 is 29. Here we got 4 times 4 is 16. I'm sorry, 24, yeah, minus 5 is 19. 24 plus 5 is 29. So we got 4 times 4 here is 16 plus 3 is 19. 9 times 4 is 36 minus 7 is 29. These look right from here. We can multiply it out, but obviously 19 times 29 is the same as 19 times 29. That's just the reflexive property. Something equals something. So this is your final answer, y equals 4. And this is the check. Let's look at number 25. We got quantity x minus 3 squared equals x times x plus 4. I'm going to have to FOIL this out here. I'm going to get x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals x squared plus 4x. You would think we have to set this to 0. We can always set it to 0 and solve it. That'll be fine. We don't have to in this case because the x squareds are going to go away. So now we're kind of left with a more basic problem. I'm going to add 6x here. I'm going to add 6x here. I get 9 here equals 10x. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. X equals 9/10. This is number 25.